Intelligent and hardy predators, wolves are widespread almost all over the world. A pack of these animals can pose a threat to any adversary, both human and forest animals. But the natural range of wolves is steadily shrinking due to the spread of humanity around the world, and in some regions the population of these forest sanitarians continues to decline. Facts about wolves. The hearing of these animals is incredibly sensitive. In the open space they can hear more or less loud sound at a distance of 7 to 8 kilometers, or even more. It is well known that wolves sometimes eat carrion. But they eat such unappetizing food only in times of hunger, when they simply have no other prey. Single wolves are much less dangerous than a pack of these animals. And it's not just in their numbers. Wolves without their congeners are not so brave and generally become very cautious. During the first 4 months of their lives, wolves grow very fast, increasing their weight by 20 to 30 times. The weight of a newborn wolf cub is usually about 500 grams. Red wolves resemble foxes externally to the extent that they are often confused with them. Interesting facts about the red wolf. Wolves are almost impossible to train, even if they were born in captivity, and have been used to seeing people since childhood. Wolf eyes can glow in the dark like a cat's eyes. Of course, they don't glow by themselves, it's the reflected light. Without food, the wild wolf is quite capable of living up to 5 to 7 days. Observant inhabitants of the regions where these animals live in the wild have long noticed that wolves are afraid of cloth fluttering in the wind for some reason. These predators lead a monogamous lifestyle. They almost always make couples once and for life. In old chronicles and books there is a reference to modern Irish territories under the name Wolf Land. Once upon a time there really were a huge number of wolves there, but now there are almost none left. Wolf teeth, due to their size and shape, are rarely able to kill their prey quickly, so a stray pack of wolves is usually eaten alive. The polar wolf is able to survive in such harsh climatic conditions that the vast majority of other mammals would not last a few days there. Interesting facts about the polar wolf. It was wolves that were the first animal species to come under the protection of the law. They usually do not like to swim, but they can do it well. An adult wolf is able to swim across any wide river, or even a bay, crossing a dozen or so kilometers on water. Being hungry, an adult wolf is able to devour up to 8 to 10 kilograms of food at a time. Newborn wolf cubs remain blind and deaf for the first time. The relationship between humans and wolves began a long time ago. They were well known to the primitive hunters. Some rock paintings depicting these animals are already about 20,000 years old. Interesting facts about ancient people. Until recently, there were unique marsupial wolves on Tasmania, an island in Australia. But the last of them died last century. Now Australian scientists are trying to revive the species by cloning, using DNA extracted from alcoholized specimens. The wolf's black hair was the result of a mutation caused by crossbreeding with dogs. Moreover, black wolves occur only in North America. A wolf pack may include up to 3 to 4 dozen adults. These animals are really very hardy. They lead a nocturnal lifestyle, and during the night the pack can go up to 70 to 80 kilometers. If 2 wolf packs meet, it often leads to a fight for territory. Moreover, only wolf leaders fight, and the losing wolf pack meekly departs, leaving hunting territory to the winner's pack. The leader always walks ahead of the wolf pack, tail high up. A wolf's brain volume is, on average, 25 to 30% greater than that of a dog. The official record for the weight of an adult wolf is 86 kilograms. These animals are capable of jumping 4 to 5 meters in height. Their fur is interesting because it has 2 layers. The inner layer retains heat, and the outer layer repels moisture, and does not let water soak the inner layer. The fur color of these predators depends directly on the place where they live. It will be yellowish or brown in the desert, gray in the forest, and white in the polar regions. When running, wolves can reach speeds of up to 60 to 65 km/h. On average, the area of one wolf pack hunting grounds is from 30 to 60 square kilometers. But if there isn't enough prey, the pack moves away. Wolves are listed in the International Red Book. Interesting facts about the Red Book. The eyes of newborn wolves are blue. They turn yellow later, after a few months. The offspring of the leader and his pairs are usually raised by the whole pack. When a wolf pack goes hunting, the cubs are usually left under the protection of the younger members of the pack, individuals that could be called juveniles. Jackals and coyotes are related species to wolves. Attempts to breed new dog breeds by crossing these animals with wolves have been made many times. A total of 3 successful breeds have been registered in the world. In the wild, hybrids of wolves and dogs, wolf dogs, are also sometimes found. They are not afraid of people, unlike wolves, but they are as strong as big dogs. Wolves rarely attack humans in the wild. And it is animals with rabies that attack most often. Healthy wolves usually prefer to avoid humans. Their sense of smell is about many times sharper than that of humans. They can sense their scent from a distance of up to 15 to 20 kilometers.